Good afternoon, my entertainers. It's Vlogmas Day 2.
Hey player, what you gonna get, huh, for Christmas? Yeah. What you gonna get that boy? Come on, come on, come on. What you gonna get, huh, for Christmas? Yeah. What you gonna get that boy? Right at that. Come on back. Say what? Whole lot of this. Yeah.
Go pick out an outfit so I can jump in the shower.
Got pants, shirt, boxer hose, boom. That's what I'm wearing today. These shoes. Time to get ready.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower right quick, you guys, so we can get on this road before it get too dark.
I pulled up to the store, so I can give me some gas. I'm finna go to this PTI place so I can sign up for my little classes for tomorrow. And yeah. And then we got other little things we're finna do. Oh, by the way, look, who in the car? Hey. And I'll be right back. All right, y'all. Bye. Yo, sorry. Y'all, when I tell y'all it's cold as crap out there. Look, Grandpa's in there. Cold as hell, man. They get dark so quick, man. 5 o'clock, shit. The day is up. Let's go home. Only thing I hate about when time go back like that. But hey, welcome back, my entertainers. Hey, so here's the deal. We're gonna make some Christmas cookies, but the ghetto / bougie way. You know what I'm saying? No offense to nobody out there, but hey, I'm calling it the bougie Christmas cookies. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make everything from scratch, right? Except the cake mix, because we're gonna take the cake mix and make it into cookies, and we're gonna make the whole cake. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Alright. We're gonna make the icing from scratch, and then I'm gonna once I make the, you know what I'm saying, the dough, so I'm gonna try. So without further ado, let's get right into this. Y'all ready? Alright, so first we're gonna wash our hands, because you're supposed to do that anyway. The eggs, water, oil, vanilla extract, all that stuff, good stuff. Then we're gonna preheat this oven to the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. All right. So let's do that now. Oh, it's already there. Stop. All right. So I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna do this. Okay. All right. Alright, so now we're gonna make the icing. I got all the ingredients in here. The eggs, the cream cheese, and vanilla extract and shit. Alright. So the cookies almost done. got the sauce right here. And I'll be right back when the cookies are done. So we can put the icing on it. Alright, y'all. Alright, you guys, listen. We done. Look at the cookies. It looks so good. Okay. And then we got the little setup. Got the sauce right. I mean the icing right there. Got the icing right there. Got the cookies. Alright. And I told y'all I wanted to try to like decorate them into like Christmas stuff. But I ain't gonna like shape them into that. I'm just gonna like draw on them. So I got me a little fork. You know what I'm saying? I'll get one of the big ones. Look at that right there. Good. They do real good though. It's kind of like a cake cookie. You know what I'm saying? See, let me do this. Bring this closer to me. Bring that closer to me. Do this out the way so y'all can see. Alright. And I'm gonna put the camera up here when they. Messy. But yeah, y'all, Christmas is like one of my top favorite. It's one of my top favorite holidays. Man. I just love the feeling of Christmas. I don't know. I guess because at a young age, my imagination was so, like, it was like, I mean, my imagination was all over the place. Like, I believed in everything. Like, and then I didn't have that type of parent that would tell me such wasn't real when I felt so, you know what I'm saying, like looking forward to something, like if that makes sense. Like, hey, I see you. Go over there. So the dog know I be talking, be busy, so he starts snooping around for the food that I'm over here cooking. But yeah, it's really scared the puppy, y'all. I don't know why he ain't here, but he mad at me. But yeah, my mom never like spoiled my childhood, if that makes sense. And I'm not saying nothing towards the ones that's out there that, you know, that you know what I'm saying, don't want their kids to believe, you know what I'm saying. I get it, but you know what I'm saying. Sometimes it's like, for certain kids need something to look forward to. You know what I'm saying? So if you steer that away, they always run towards something that it's not kid-like, you know what I'm saying? Let them have their childhood. I mean, let them have, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let them have their childhood, you know? Let them have those beliefs, or, you know what I'm saying? The Santa Claus, or the boogeyman, and all that stuff teaches them when they get older. Because look at the type of person I became. Facts. My mom did a good job. You know, and I did believe in Santa Claus. There was a time that I knew Santa Claus wasn't real and still went along with it because I know how my mama felt about Christmas, because probably once upon a time, which I never asked, is that she believed in Santa Claus. You never know. You know what I'm saying? It's people raise their kids according of how they was raised. You know? I wish I had different colors. I'm taking this shit serious. It's like every year I get PTI for some reason. Like I know that it's not nothing to brag about, but it's like, dang, it's like every year it's something. It's crazy. And yeah, tomorrow for tomorrow Vlogmas, you're gonna see. Yeah, I'm done with my first cookie. Ooh. I want this shit. Yeah. Tasty. Yeah, look at my Christmas ornament, dog. Yeah. Don't hate. Don't hate. Congratulate. Congratulate. Alright, push this down so y'all can see a little bit. Alright, we'll do this a little different. Let's see. But yeah, I remember them days in school we used to have the little Christmas parties and we used to decorate the cookies and stuff like that. See, I miss stuff like that. And then next time, I'm gonna make sure I'm prepared when it comes, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have different colors. You know what I'm saying? Like objects, and well, not objects, but you know, some like candy to put on top of them and stuff like that. It'd be fun. It'd be fun. Hey, it's crazy I'm using a fork though. Hey, you can use whatever you want to use. Man, free country. Yeah, right. I'm only gonna decorate two. And then just put like the rest of the ice on top of the, you know what I'm saying, the cookie, because of that, you know what I'm saying. Family members that with teddies up right now. But these are only two that's gonna get. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but I'm trying. Ornament like that too though. Boom, bruh. Boom, 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 boom. Done. I'm done. Check him out. I mean, yeah, I'm trying, y'all. Look good on it. Yeah. Alright, y'all, that's the end of this vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed yourself like I did. Hey, it's your boy Deshandra, aka Mr. Gunner Man Hating, and I'll see y'all the next day. I'll see y'all in my next video. Alright, y'all. Hi, y'all. Peace.